Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open your Gboard. Then after open up your Gboard, it's going to take you right here. By default, you have your languages right here. However, there are some phones that come with Gboard pre-installed. And as a result of that, you may not have this particular icon on your phone screen right here. So this is how best you can switch your typing language with your Gboard. What you want to do is to make sure you bring out your notepad and is to bring out your type pad. And for that, I'm going to make use of Instagram right here. Then after open up my Instagram, let's say for instance, I want to make a comment on this particular post right here on Instagram. What I need to do is to simply click on here. And after click on that, this is going to pop up here from your notepad Gboard key right here. What you need to do is to click on this setting icon and it's take you back right here. So this is other way by which you can use to get to your Gboard settings. Next thing you want to do is to click on language right here. So by default, my Gboard keyboard here is English US. Next thing we want to do is to click on add keyboard. So you'll be taken right here. Then you have different languages right here. You can simply scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see different languages that you can easily type with right here. So let's say for instance, I want to switch to English Nigerian right here instead of US English. I will simply click on English Nigerian right here. Having click on that, it's taking me right here. Then you have different keyboard. So here you can choose any type of keyboard you like. Like for instance, I can swipe this way and I can decide to choose this particular keyboard right here. Once you select your keyboard, simply hit on done and it will reflect it in your keypad on your Gboard. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Gboard keyboard right here, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.